Okay, everyone, here's part 3 of our snow day lecture. So I hope you had an interesting experience with your observation. I am excited to hear about your feedback and how you liked that, and so that you can know what you're walking into when you do your observation. So the final portion of this class is looking at assessment tools. So on Blackboard, and we'll go to in a minute, there are links to all of these different assessment tools. So what I want each of you to do is review a different tool, present the strengths and weaknesses. So Jessica and Stacy, so why don't you split this up? Jessica, you do the OTAP, and Stacy, you do the feet. And then Todd and Robert, if you can just discuss and touch base with each other as to what portions of the wadi, because the wadi is pretty big. So kind of split that up, but then each of you have your own. And I want you to go to this link right here. This link will take you to the editable slides. And that's really what I was in right now. But most importantly, I want to make sure that you have your slides completed by midnight on Sunday. The purpose, and we would have done this in class, however, we're not in class. So the purpose is that I want all of you to review everyone's summary of the various forms. And then I have on a discussion board, which we'll go to in a moment, which form speaks to you, or do any of them, why or why not? If one doesn't fit, what do you want to include in your evaluation notes or forms? So again, we're looking big picture at your evaluation. Are you focusing on reading? Are you focusing on writing? Are you focusing on access? And all of these forms have a different focus, so I want to see if any of them will be helpful for you and why or why not. So once you go to the bit.ly to AT intake forms, remember that the capitals matter. You'll be on here, and you can see that there are slides for each one. If we go into our Blackboard, here's your discussion, week 4 snow day discussion. Once you click here, you can create a thread answering those particular questions. If we go into assessment forms on the left, here are the links to all of the assessment forms. So each of you will have a different one. So I want you to look at that and then provide feedback on the slides. Again, please make sure, I'm going to show this one more time. Please make sure that you complete your slides by midnight on Sunday, so then everyone can make sure that they review them Sunday through Thursday, and make sure you post your discussion. I'll write that in here, post discussion by Thursday, which is 2/16. Okay. And then finally, your homework for next week. So all of these activities are going to help you have that rough plan of what you want to do. So that is due by 7:30 p.m. on 2/16/17. I'm sorry, I don't know why I put 7:30. It's supposed to be class time, so that's 5. Because I just want to make sure I have a rough idea of what you guys want to do, and I'm providing you the tools in order for you to successfully do that. Next week on the 16th, we're going to jump right into the writing evaluation portion. So as the syllabus states, you needed to pay the $25 for that written productivity profile electronic download. That's the reading for next week. So please make sure if you haven't done that, go to the link on the syllabus and make sure you purchase it. Like I said, it is an electronic download. So what we're doing is a jigsaw. So you will be assigned a portion of the written productivity profile to read, and you'll present the most essential information. This is the link to the slideshow. And that's really your homework besides your rough plan. Here are your assignments. And if we go to this link here, bit.ly, SED 595, written productivity profile, again. So here are your instructions again. Create up to 3 PowerPoint slides conveying the essential information. Be prepared to present your slides in class. You can edit them if you want to. You don't have to keep them the same. So here are your section assignments. So we have Kevin, and I just gave you the rough page numbers. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to email me to clarify anything. And I apologize that we had a snow day today, but I hope everyone stayed safe and off the roads, and I will see you next week.